pretty cool to do all of your daily driving without ever having to fill up at a gas station? Well, that's becoming a reality for people who drive electric vehicles, sometimes called EVs. EVs are gaining popularity, and with good reason. They're convenient, they're sleek and quiet, they keep our air clean, and for most of the short-distance driving we do, they're the perfect way to get from point A to point B, safely, reliably, and comfortably. Okay, have a look at the numbers. More than 80% of Americans drive less than 40 miles round trip for their daily commute, which is just right for an EV. Many of today's electric cars can go up to 100 miles on a single charge. That's because battery technology continues to advance, becoming smaller while storing more energy. Lithium-ion batteries, like the ones in cell phones, are a big reason for that improvement. So, batteries transfer energy to an electric motor. The motor turns a drivetrain that turns the wheels. It's a highly efficient technology. Up to 80% of the battery's energy is transferred directly to power the car. Everything is computer controlled, and a display shows you how the car is performing. The display lets you know about how much battery power you have left. And if you need to find a place to recharge, new software built into the car or on your mobile device will guide you to the nearest charge point. When you're ready to charge your EV's battery, instead of a gas tank, there's a power port. And instead of refueling, you recharge. Just plug it in. Most people will probably recharge overnight when they're done driving for the day, and electricity may be cheaper. But for a quick charge during the day, charging stations are popping up in thousands of convenient community locations across the U.S. Now check out this extended range EV. It starts by using battery power. But when the battery power runs low, a gasoline-fueled engine kicks in to power the electric motor, which in turn drives the wheels. So for shorter trips, you can rely on electricity and still take longer road trips whenever you want. Anywhere you go, you can simply plug in or fill up. EVs have a lot of great advantages. Cleaner air, lower maintenance costs, and they help reduce America's dependence on foreign oil. America's had a long love affair with cars. Now we're starting the next chapter. This time, falling for clean, comfortable, convenient electric vehicles.